Good afternoon, dear teacher and classmate. My name is Jenny Tatiana Tasconerazo. I am 31 years old. I'm from Valle del Cauca. I study psychology in the UNAL University. Last Christmas, I had the opportunity to share with my whole family. We laughed and laughed. We distributed gifts among us. We ate buñuelos, custard, rice, turkey, and sweet salad at midnight. It was a very beautiful Christmas and full of love. But someone was missing. My father died last year. Next, I am going to show you a recipe that is used in the Valle del Cauca, generally for parties. Chicken rice. Ingredients: 1 pound of rice, 2 cups of water, 1 chicken breast, 2 cups of vegetables, peas, carrots, chopped onion, green beans, paprika, 1 package of sausages, 1 tablespoon of color, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, spice to taste. Preparation: I usually mix 1 pound of rice with 2 cups of water and little chopped onion, color and salt to taste. Then I'll boil in until cooked. The breast is cooked with an cucumber. It's, it is not necessary to include onion. Generally, people do not like it, but for me, it's essential. The onion and vegetables give a very flavor. They should be chopped into small pieces and poured into a sausage pan with little water. When consumed, a tablespoon of butter, salt, and spice to taste. Also, the chicken with everything is fried. Pour is tomato sauces and mix this preparation with the rice. This recipe is present with French fries. I invite you to Valle del Cauca. Is spectacular place where you can taste the best rice chicken, special family parties.